Good morning, students. Children, today in moral science, let's study lesson number 7, Anil and the little puppy, page number 30. So, all of you take out page 30 with me. Warming up, okay. In this, we can see we must be kind to animals. It is said that we all must be kind. We should show kindness towards animals because they also have feeling like us. They cannot speak, but they feel happy or hungry or hurt just like any one of us. Do you hurt animals? What do you do if you see a hungry or ailing animals on the road? Now in the story we will going to find out what Anil did with the puppy he saw. Anil was a loving and kind boy, and he had many friends. All of them met and played in the park every evening. So every evening, Anil with his many friends, they go in the park and they play every evening, every day. One day, Anil and his friend were playing football. Now one day what happened, children? Anil and his many friends, okay, they all were playing football in the park. Suddenly they heard the bark of a dog. The voice was very feeble. The voice was very weak. They all looked here and there to find out from where the voice came from. Okay, so all the children, they looked here and there that from where the voice is coming. Suddenly one of his friends pointed out towards the hedge and said, "It is a small pup." So one of his friends pointed towards the hedge. Now what is hedge? Hedge is a fence or a row of bushes. Okay, so in the bush, from the bush, okay, that voice came from the. So one of his friends pointed out towards the hedge and said, "See, it's a small pup." So there they have seen a small puppy. Who is puppy? The young one of a dog is called a puppy. So one pup was there. Let's go there. All the friends went there. The puppy got scared. Okay, when the friend reached there, the puppy got afraid. Now come to page 31. Now when the pup seen the children, the pup began to move inside the hedge. Sid, one of Anil's friend, picked up a small stone to hit the puppy. So now one of the friend of Anil, Sid, okay, S-I-D, Sid, what he did, he picked up a small stone to hit the puppy. Anil saw the stone in Sid's hand and said, "What are you doing, Sid?" So who saw Sid? Anil. What Anil seen? He saw that this Sid was holding what? A stone in his hand. The puppy is already scared and hurt. So what did he say? Anil said to Sid that the puppy is already scared, afraid and hurt. Okay, and you want to throw the stone to the puppy. Now what is this? Now children, tomorrow let's see what was Sid's answer to Anil about the stone. He was throwing the stone. So let's see tomorrow. Okay children, now let's do the exercise, the work. So this is the worksheet of moral science. A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Anil was a loving and kind boy. Okay, Dash was a loving and kind boy. Who? Anil. Second, we must be dash to animals. We must be kind. B. True or false? Number 1. The kitten came out of the hedge. This is true or false? False, because it was the pup who came. Second, Anil had many friends. This is true. Okay, so these were the exercises you have to do. Now children, tomorrow again we are going to continue the same lesson. Okay children, till then Take care and goodbye.